Special thanks to our friends at AUVON who were nice enough to send us their 7-day capacity daily peel organizer. You can see here, this one says it's made out of aluminum. So let's open it up and take a look at it and feel the extra weight in here. It feels heavier. Oh yeah, nothing else in the box. Here is the aluminum 7-day peel organizer. Hear that? Wow. This is the front of it, of course. Nothing else really around it besides these 2 buttons and this part that says bottom. Press your buttons in on the side and it slides out and you can hear the aluminumness. So you got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You're able to, of course, put any medications you may take, vitamins, etc. into here to make sure that you take exactly what you need every day. And it is nicely in this nice little container. You ain't got to worry about them falling apart. If you were to drop this, you wouldn't have to worry about it busting open like could happen with some of the plastic ones. Everything is nice and neat inside of here, and you just take your vitamins on Sunday, close it back up, and on Monday, take your vitamins and so on. So special thanks again to our friends at AUVON who were nice enough to send this to us. Thank you all for watching this unboxing and demonstration of this aluminum 7-day pill organizer, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.